Let's take a picture.
Hold on.
Mommy.
Watch the fireworks. Look.
Mine or yours is
What
what?
color's that? Purple, green, orange, green. Pretty. Look at that one. Ooh. It's like daytime. Orange, green, red circle. Look at that. Look at those bees swarming. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that one. Oh my gosh, look how pretty.
Bye.
Look how pretty those are.
Take a picture, Mom.
We'll watch it later. The pictures are of that, so just watch that.
See them at home, you can watch them.
Hey, give me that. Give me that.
Don't move too much.
Give me that.
Look. This is a nice.
Oh, that's pretty, huh?
Mama's taking video so we can watch it later. We can see fireworks when we get home too, okay?